Alright, my besties, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so this is TSMA Epaggelia. So I will make an announcement. It is an important announcement. So I'll never go astray. This is a new single released by me. Okay, so we, the Sexy Music Assassins, are thrilled to announce the release of my third single. Okay, it's called Epaggelia Atara. So entitled I'll Never Go Astray. So this powerful and emotive song takes listeners on a journey through the storms of life, finding solace, okay, and strength in the midst of chaos. So with heartfelt lyrics and captivating melodies, okay, I'll never go astray. This explores themes of longing, vulnerability, and the healing power of music. So besties, you see, Epaggelia Atara's soulful voice, kuno, and heartfelt delivery bring the pouring rain to life. So as her soul finds release and inner peace. So best is the chorus, okay. It echoes like thunder with my heart weeping, like raindrops longing for rest. So each rhythm, okay, unfolds her vulnerability, allowing her emotions to be expressed through the music. The symphony of tears, okay, becomes a sweet refrain, offering solace and hope amidst despair. But it is not just about the pain, okay, besties. In the bridge, okay, Epaggelia stands tall. This is the song, embracing the chaos that surrounds her. Guided by the music, okay, she declares that she will never go astray. The pulsating beats and electrifying sound become a guiding force, leading her through the highs and the lows of life. So as the rain subsides, okay, a gentle melody takes flight, reminding Epaggelia that God is her guiding light. So in the crescendo of her pain, His love resounds, okay, transforming sorrow into a profound victory. You see, the final chords reveal His glory, okay, turning the song of brokenness into a kind of like a masterpiece that glorifies God. So I'll never go astray. Astray, okay, is a testament to the power of music and the resilience of the human spirit. So Epaggelia Atara's heartfelt performance invites listeners to embrace their vulnerability, find strength in their pain, and ultimately discover redemption and glory in the journey of life. So we, the Sexy Music Assassins, or TSMA, invites you to listen to I'll Never Go Astray by Epaggelia Atara and experience the captivating emotions and powerful message it carries, okay? Alright, so let's do this. Let the beats carry you, and may you find harmony and solace in this symphony of life. Stay tuned for more updates and exciting releases from Epaggelia Atara. Thank you for your continued support. It should be Epaggelia, that's the pronunciation, but just call me Epaggelia or whatever. Alright, let's do this.
In the pouring rain, my soul finds its release. A melody of longing, aching for inner peace. Through that storm I search for strength anew, knowing the Lord will guide me, love shining through. These beats, they echo like thunder in my chest. My heart weeps like raindrops longing for rest. With every rhythm, my vulnerability unfolds, crying through the music, my emotions untold. In the depths of despair, I find solace in the pain. A symphony of tears, my heart's sweet refrain. But amidst the darkness, a glimmer of hope appears. For after the storm, a melody of healing nears. Through pulsating beats, an electrifying sound, I stand tall, embracing the chaos that surrounds. With each note, my spirit finds its way, guided by the music, I'll never go astray. These beats, they echo like thunder in my chest. My heart weeps like raindrops, longing for rest. With every rhythm, my vulnerability unfolds, crying through the music, my emotions untold, untold.